Hello! Today in our lesson we are going to learn a new way of writing numbers in math. But first we will understand what we need these numbers for. Let's solve a simple problem. We need to divide 6 candies between 3 friends. What do we need to do that? Let's visualize this situation. 6 candies. 1 candy, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to divide equally among the 3 friends. What do we have to do that? Of course, we'll divide 6. Divided by 3, that makes 2. 2 pieces of candy for each friend. I divide 6 by 3, that makes 2. But if we imagine a different situation, we need to divide 1 pizza between 3 friends. Pizza. This pizza, 1 whole pizza, needs to be divided equally among 3 friends. What do you have to do that? Well, of course you're going to cut the pizza. You cut it into 3 equal pieces. And then each friend gets 1 slice out of 3 slices. How do you put that in math? We cut the whole pizza into 3 equal pieces. Each person gets 1 slice out of 3. Let me write it down. 1 slice out of 3. Then in math, we need to write that number down. In order to write the pieces in math, they introduce new numbers called fractions. How do we write a number as a fractional number? In math, fractional numbers are written like this. Fractional line. A number is written above the fractional line and a number is written below the fractional line. We have the numbers 1 and 3. How do we write these numbers? Under the fractional line, write the number of parts, the number of all parts. And we only have 3 parts. So I'm going to write 3 under the fractional line. The fractional line, and above the fractional line, I'm going to write down the number of parts that I took. In this example, we're take 1 part out of 3. So I write 1 above the fraction line. In math, fractional numbers are written as a divided by b. This is the fractional line, so above the fractional line, we write a number which in math is called the numerator, and underneath the fractional line is called the denominator. The denominator represents the total number of parts. And the numerator represents the number of pieces we took. Let's go back to our problem. And note that each part is written in math as 1. Third, this part is 1. Third, this part is also 1/3. And the last part of our pizza is also 1/3. Today in the lesson we learned what a fraction is and how a fraction is written in math. In our next lesson we'll learn how to write a fraction. And we'll learn how to show the fraction. And for today, our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye, see you again.